Is pizza your favorite food? Even if it's not, you probably know someone who would answer yes to that question in about 0.3 seconds. But why is that? Why do so many people love pizza? Why is it so popular? Is it the cheese, the pepperoni? Is it the crust, the fact that it has a convenient little handle for us to pick up and eat it? Is it nostalgia? Does it remind us of childhood, of Chuck E. Cheese, of parties? Also, if you haven't heard or are not familiar with the Chuck E. Cheese lore, I recommend you look it up. It's heartbreaking. The reason pizza is so popular is not because it is so good, but because of how aggressively it is marketed and how high the ROI is on pizza, not just for massive chains like Domino's, Papa John's, and Pizza Hut, and for local favorite in my area, Casano's, but also for mom and pop shops. According to a form on pizzamaking.com, a post by lifetime member and global moderator named Pizza, very clever, the question of ROI on pizza depends on who is making the pizza, what the exact toppings are, and the quality and amount of each topping. Obviously, a chain like Papa John's or Domino's will get better pricing on a per unit basis than will a mom and pop operator because of greater volume and bargaining power. But, as a typical example, I have read that a 16-inch pizza with 10 ounces of mozzarella cheese, sauce, and 6 ounces of pepperoni will cost an operator around $2 for the ingredients. I would guess that adding an additional topping might increase the cost by another 10 to 20 cents depending on the topping. The dough itself will typically cost 0.011 cents per ounce if made from scratch. For a 16-inch size using about 21 ounces of dough, that would come to about 23 cents. Generally speaking, the most expensive pizza item is the cheese. Another example I saw was $170 to $180 for a 16-inch pie with 12 ounces of mozzarella cheese and 8 ounces of sauce. Now, you can sell pizza by the slice or you can sell pizzas as a whole, but it is undeniable how high this ROI is, especially for chains that can charge pretty regular prices for pizza. I've never seen a substantial difference in cost of pizza between mom and pop shops in my area and the chains. I think they're about the same because of the convenience of using a chain and the fact that some Pizza Huts have buffets and that you can have the food delivered to your house. I mean, you pay for experiences, not for the pizza itself. And this is just proof of that. Pizza is so ridiculously cheap. But that's why pizza is so popular, because it is so cheap to make. The purpose of thinking about this, of bringing it up, it's easy to assume that pizza is so popular because it is delicious and filling, and it's a good party food. But nothing is the way we think it is, and that's something that I've been thinking about a lot lately, and that needs to be a part of understanding ourselves. Almost nothing about you is probably the way you think it is. That's how we hold ourselves back, by constructing archetypal ideas about ourselves. Rules that apply to the rest of the universe apply to us as well. In the scientific revolution, we came to terms with the fact that nothing was the way we thought it was. That is a universal rule for how we function today. We assume we are ignorant and crave to learn and understand things, which leads to all of our exponential progress since the revolution. It is the best thing that could have happened, but it also means we are not the way we think we are. We have to understand our identities for what they are, stories we tell about ourselves. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, whatever you feel like you gotta do. Check out my new book, Rattling Hi-Hats, the Hip-Hop Philosophy Handbook, on Amazon, where I talk about philosophical trends among various artists in hip-hop, as well as the genre as a whole. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.